Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zapier desktop recorder and capture workflows, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the official Zapier website at zapier.com. Navigate to the Tools section in the main menu. Look for the Zapier desktop recorder option. Click on the link to access the download page. Select your operating system, either Windows or Mac OS. Click the download button for your chosen OS. Once downloaded, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, open the Zapier desktop recorder application. Sign in with your Zapier account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. After signing in, familiarize yourself with the interface. To start capturing a workflow, click on the New Recording button. Select the application or website you want to record a workflow for. Follow the steps you'd like to automate, such as button clicks or form submissions. The recorder will automatically capture these actions for you. Once you finish the workflow, click the Stop Recording button. Review the captured steps in the application. Edit any details or steps as needed for clarity and accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Save button to store your recording. You can now use this recording to create zaps in your Zapier account. Return to your Zapier dashboard to set up your automation using the saved recording. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.